Adaptogens are herbs, roots and other plant substances, like mushrooms, that help our bodies manage stress and restore balance after a stressful situation. People take adaptogens as herbal supplements in capsule form, drink them in teas or in a powder added to soups, smoothies and other foods. Adaptogen must be non-toxic and produce only minor alterations in an organism's physiological functioning. An adaptogen's impact should be generic and promote resistance to various physical, chemical, and biological stressors. Despite the direction of the preceding pathogenic alterations, an adaptogen may have a normalizing effect. Researchers say adaptogenic herbs interact with the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal (HPA) axis, which is a complex system of glands, hormones and receptors in the human body. The HPA axis is central to the body's homeostasis, stress responses and energy metabolism. When we consume adaptogens, their organic properties and compounds work with the HPA axis to help balance our systems. If there's too much of one hormone, for instance, the adaptogens help to lower it. On the flip